Welcome to our journey through Kannur, a coastal city nestled along the Malabar coast of Kerala, India. Here the Arabian Sea caresses the shores, while inland a tapestry of lush greenery unfolds, revealing hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. Known for its serene beaches, vibrant culture and rich history, Kannur offers a sensory experience unlike any other. Kannur's coastline is an ever-changing masterpiece, sculpted by the gentle hand of the Arabian Sea. The waves, with their rhythmic ebb and flow, have shaped the land over millennia, creating a serene and picturesque landscape that beckons travelers from far and wide. Here, the beaches are not mere stretches of sand, but tranquil havens, where time seems to slow its relentless pace. The soft whispers of the wind and the gentle caress of the waves create an atmosphere of peace and reflection. Let us begin at Mapala Bay, a natural harbour, where history whispers through the ancient trading posts. This bay has been a silent witness to countless stories of trade, adventure, and cultural exchange, and the gentle sway of fishing boats. These boats, with their colourful sails, are a testament to the enduring spirit of the local fishermen who have braved the seas for generations. The air is alive with the cries of gulls and the salty tang of the sea, a symphony of nature's own making. Each sound, each scent is a note in the grand composition of the coastal experience. Further down the coast we encounter Kannur Beach, a hidden gem cherished by locals and fortunate travellers. This beach, with its pristine sands and clear waters, offers a sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The golden sands stretch out like an unfurled ribbon, inviting barefoot strolls as the waves lap gently at the shore. Each step on the soft sand is a step into a world of tranquility and calm. Here one can witness the timeless dance of fishermen casting their nets, their silhouettes painted against the fiery hues of the setting sun. The sight is a poetic reminder of the harmony between man and nature. And then there's Payambalam Beach, a paradise for those seeking solace and rejuvenation. This beach, with its expansive shoreline and gentle waves, is a haven for relaxation and reflection. The rhythmic roar of the waves crashing against the shore creates a natural soundtrack, while the gentle sea breeze carries with it the scent of salt and a sense of boundless freedom. The air here is invigorating, filling one's lungs with the essence of the sea. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the sand, one cannot help but feel a profound sense of peace wash over them. The day's end brings with it a moment of reflection, a time to appreciate the beauty and tranquility that these beaches offer. Venturing inland, we journey into the heart of the Western Ghats, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the world's 8 hottest hotspots of biodiversity. This mountain range stretches over 1,600 kilometers, encompassing a variety of ecosystems that are home to an astonishing array of life forms. Here, amidst the emerald embrace of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, we find a sanctuary that is not just a refuge for wildlife, but a living laboratory for scientists and researchers. Lies the Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary. This sanctuary is a crucial part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, contributing significantly to the conservation of the region's unique biodiversity. This sanctuary, a symphony of towering trees, cascading waterfalls and hidden streams, offers a serene yet vibrant environment where nature thrives in its purest form, is home to a breathtaking array of flora and fauna. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, every species here plays a role in maintaining the ecological balance. Elephants, the gentle giants of the forest, roam freely, their presence a reminder of the sanctuary's commitment to wildlife conservation. Their trumpeting calls echoing through the dense undergrowth. These majestic creatures are often seen in family groups, nurturing their young and foraging for food. Tigers, the apex predators, move with stealth and grace, their presence felt even when unseen. These elusive cats are a symbol of the wild, embodying the spirit of the forest, their presence felt even when unseen. The tiger's role as a top predator is crucial in maintaining the health of the ecosystem, controlling the population of herbivores and ensuring the vegetation remains balanced. Listen closely, and you might hear the chattering of monkeys swinging through the canopy. These playful primates are an integral part of the forest, aiding in seed dispersal and contributing to the growth of new plants. Or the melodic calls of exotic birds. The avian population here is diverse, with species ranging from colourful parakeets to majestic eagles, each adding to the sanctuary's rich tapestry of life. The Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary is a testament to the delicate balance of nature, where every creature, great and small, plays a vital role in the intricate web of life. This balance is a result of millions of years of evolution and adaptation, where every creature, great and small, plays a vital role in the intricate web of life. The interdependence of species here is a marvel, showcasing the complexity and beauty of natural ecosystems. As we traverse the sanctuary's winding paths, we are enveloped by the sights and sounds of the forest. Each step reveals a new wonder, from the rustling leaves to the distant call of a bird. We're reminded of the importance of preserving these wild spaces, not just for the animals that call them home, but for the health of our planet and the future of humanity. Conservation efforts here are vital, ensuring that this haven of biodiversity remains intact for generations to come. Not just for the animals that call them home, but for the health of our planet and the future of humanity. The sanctuary's role in global environmental health cannot be overstated, as it acts as a carbon sink, helps regulate the climate and supports countless forms of life. But for the health of our planet and the future of humanity, the preservation of such sanctuaries is a shared responsibility, one that requires collective effort and unwavering commitment. Our journey takes us now to the Parasinica Davu Snake Park, a sanctuary dedicated to the conservation and understanding of reptiles, particularly snakes. Often feared and misunderstood, snakes play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. Here, amidst the lush greenery, we encounter a fascinating array of snakes, from the venomous king cobra, its hood spread wide in a display of power, to the non-venomous Indian rock python, its massive coils a testament to its strength. The park's knowledgeable guides provide insights into the behavior, habitat, and importance of these often maligned creatures. Beyond snakes, the park is also home to a variety of other reptiles, including crocodiles basking in the sun. Their prehistoric forms a reminder of a bygone era. The park's conservation efforts extend beyond its boundaries, with programs aimed at educating the public and dispelling myths surrounding snakes. A visit to the Parasinica Davu Snake Park is not just an educational experience, but an opportunity to appreciate the diversity of life on Earth and the importance of protecting even the most misunderstood creatures. Our exploration of Kannur now leads us to Kotior, a place where spirituality intertwines with the raw beauty of nature. This serene village, nestled in the Western Ghats, is a hidden gem that offers a unique blend of cultural heritage and natural splendor. Nestled amidst dense forests and rolling hills, Kotior is home to the ancient Kotior Shiva Temple, a revered pilgrimage site. The temple, with its rich history and spiritual significance, attracts thousands of devotees from all over the country. Every year, during the Kotior Visheshan festival, the temple comes alive with the fervor of devotees seeking blessings from Lord Shiva. The festival, which lasts for 27 days, is a time of great celebration and spiritual rejuvenation. The air is thick with the scent of incense and the sound of chanting, creating an atmosphere of deep devotion and spiritual awakening. The rituals performed here are steeped in tradition, offering a glimpse into the rich cultural tapestry of the region. But Kotior is more than just a pilgrimage destination. It is a place where nature and spirituality coexist in perfect harmony, offering visitors a chance to reconnect with both the divine and the natural world. The surrounding forests, teeming with life, offer a sanctuary for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. These forests are home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, making it a paradise for wildlife photographers and nature lovers. Trekking trails wind their way through the dense undergrowth, leading to hidden waterfalls and breathtaking viewpoints. Each trail offers a unique adventure, with the promise of discovering the untouched beauty of Kotior. As you stand at the summit, gazing out over the vast expanse of greenery, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder at the sheer magnificence of nature. The panoramic views from these vantage points are truly mesmerizing, offering a glimpse into the unspoiled beauty of the region. Kotior is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of spirituality and nature, a place where one can find solace, rejuvenation, and a deeper connection with the divine. Whether you are seeking spiritual enlightenment or simply a peaceful retreat in nature, Kotior offers an experience that is both enriching and transformative. Our journey culminates in Ajikode, a coastal town where the rhythm of life moves to the gentle sway of the sea. Here, the beaches stretch out like endless canvases, painted in hues of gold and azure. The air is filled with the salty tang of the sea, a constant reminder of the town's intimate connection with the ocean. Fishermen, their faces weathered by the sun and the sea, haul in their nets, their daily catch a testament to the bounty of the Arabian Sea. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the sand, the beach transforms into a magical realm. The sky erupts in a kaleidoscope of colors, from fiery oranges and crimson reds to soft pinks and purples. The gentle lapping of the waves against the shore creates a soothing melody, inviting you to pause, breathe, and simply be present in the moment. Ajikode is a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to reconnect with yourself and the simple pleasures of life. Kannur is more than just a destination. It's an experience that stays with you long after you've left its shores. The warmth of its people, the richness of its culture, and the breathtaking beauty of its natural landscapes weave a tapestry of unforgettable memories. As you delve deeper into Kannur's heart, you'll discover a treasure trove of cultural heritage. Don't miss the opportunity to witness Theyyam, a ritualistic art form where performers embody deities, or Mohiniyattam, a graceful classical dance form that enchants the senses. History buffs will be captivated by the imposing St. Angelo Fort, a testament to Kannur's strategic importance in bygone eras. Kannur is a place that beckons you to return, to rediscover its hidden gems, and to create new memories that will last a lifetime. Have you thought about visiting Kannur?